Google Trends is a tool that every creator should know about, but probably doesn't. This free tool is useful for planning out your long-term content strategy and improve your search engine optimizations to reach more viewers. After opening trends.google.com, we simply click on Discover to begin our analysis. Let's start by customizing the settings to make our results as precise as possible. In our case, we headed for a global approach, beginning from 2008 leading up to the present. All categories, and of course we are particularly interested in the YouTube search results, since that's where our YouTube videos hopefully will be found. Let's Plays have been very popular in the past. The values indicate search interest compared to the peak of the analyzed period, depending on the chosen region. If you want to get a more detailed outlook on how search volume behaves, I recommend signing up for a Google Ads account. The Google Ads Keyword Planner tool will give you absolute search volume and not just the interest over time in comparison. Employing different spellings for the terms in our search query can be an interesting element. There has been a noticeable decrease in search queries since 2014 for the search term Let's Play, and looking at YouTube veterans from the time, we can see the change in video formats during and after that time frame. In contrast, the keyword reviews has gained popularity ever since. Based on our analysis, it seems that Let's Play videos are no longer trending since the search queries have decreased significantly. If you're aiming to grow the audience for your gaming channel, consider exploring different formats. Keep an eye out on Google Trends and update your content strategy on a regular basis. Next to long-term trends, there can also be seasonal short-term trends. A common example for this is Christmas content. Obviously, this is a predictable recurring event that you can include in your content strategy and use to plan out your content the weeks and days leading up to the event. This can also work for game launches, sports events, concerts, and much more. Track those events in a planner tool like Google Calendar, which will give you the option to send notifications ahead weeks in advance, so you can script, film, and edit the content ahead of time. If you have more questions about Google Trends or content strategy in general, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more YouTube updates and YouTube tricks.